1966. Oh, it's going backwards. Oh no, it's not, it's just random. That's a pachinko parlor.
I'm drinking this.
KP.
Smoking area.
Yeah. The human pens. It is very undignified the way that they do those.
Corral.
Yeah, well, I call it a human pen.
So we're going over there, but let's just like do it.
Yeah, or we could go to Taito Game Station. I want to show you Life Itself, the game.
I want to play Pachi.
Which one?
Pachi.
That one's kind of like it.
Like actual Pachi. Like,
Except in that one, you have no chance of winning money. Doesn't that sound better?
yeah. Look how much fun they're having.
Actually, it is better because you're guaranteed to lose money, but you're guaranteed to only lose a small amount of money.
I want to lose a lot of money.
I want to lose a lot of money.
That's what's the fun part.
Wow. It says if you come in by 9 o'clock p.m., you pay 980 yen, and it's all you can drink.
Wow. You got Marvel.
You gotta watch out where you're walking.
I didn't bump it.
You were like very close to it when you were looking at the Marvel thing. Look, there it is. Tuck shop. This way. Oh look, that one's the same price and the same thing. No, we hold that 980 yen.
Probably the same
Japanese version only. I don't know what that means. We're in a very particular part of town. Go that way? Hermes Rodeo Drive.
What?
That place. It's called Hermes Rodeo Drive. Gigo. See, that Gigo used to be good, but they don't have contact collection.
The Barking Alley.
Barker's Alley. Barker's Row.
What the hell are they even offering? Is it like...
I can't read. Hold on. They're advertising for different kinds of snack bars where you come in. No. It's like you come in and you pay a cover per hour or whatever, and they pair you up with somebody to talk to all night.
Yeah.
It's not a scam though, it's just a, extra fee. Well, I don't know. I'm sure there are scams, but these probably aren't. Well, if you're doing it from the Barkers, probably you do get scammed. But the concept is not a scam.
Sure, yeah.
Whoa. I hope they're all right.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's scary. Game Panic. I want to go in here. Game Panic is usually crane games. You want to go?
Sure.
Yeah, I think we've been to all these arcades, like in the sort of general area. Yeah. But they changed them all. Since we were here, they might have had different names and stuff. Because Club Sega is not called Club Sega anymore, and I think this was called
Club
something.
Sega?
No, if you search Club Sega on Google, it just shows you all the Gigo stores. Because it was just a brand merger, I guess. But like the Wi-Fi is still called Sega. Oh look, they have Fate Grand Order, so that's very close. Look at this. This is to put your luggage, and it has a net on top of it. You see that? Yeah. And I guess the point is that so that it's less likely to be forgotten. I've never seen it like that before. So if they have Fate Grand Order, they might have contact collection. Not that I'm looking for it now, but it's good to know where they are. Yeah. They have like their own little area. I guess that's like in case a kid walks too close.
That's the fan inside of it.
Oh,
like, keeps
cool.
it cool.
Wow. すいません。カンコレがありますか？
カンコレ取ってないです。申し訳ない
ああ、
です。
わかりました。はい。They don't have it. Which Street Fighter is that? Oh, 5. Type Arcade. I remember when Street Fighter V was not out in the US, and we were here, and they had it at the arcades here. That way.
I think we exit that.
No, you can use the escalator, right? Oh. Well, it's just as good. Yeah, I haven't found Contact Collection anywhere except for there's a single machine at Taito Game Station, which is like noticeably laggy, like as if the graphics card's not as good as the ones in Akihabara. And so the game, sometimes it's an advantage because the circle will close like really slowly. But then other times it'll be like sort of jarring so that you can't really time it properly.
Remember when we went to that place?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, we were just talking about it yesterday, remember?
When?
Cafe Cool. Coffee Shop Cool.
When did you talk about that?
When I was saying yesterday night, Coffee Shop Cool.
What else were we talking about?
We were walking down this street and we had just come from the bar and we were talking about, I was saying I like that place, but they don't have Wi-Fi and there's only one table that has power, so I don't like to go there to work.
Dude, you're like any of us.
Oh, look, there's a shooting bar.
That might be the place that we went.
No, that was in Akihabara because it was called Akiba Shooting Bar.
Oh, you're right. You need a couple more hours, dude.
Hotel. Wow, look how they spell it. Okubo. Which is closer to how it's really supposed to be pronounced because it's like a long Okubo. Here, cold? You want my gloves?
I have gloves.
These are warmer. There's another mailbox. Oh, so this is the thing.
Yeah.
I didn't realize from this direction where we were.
Boy building over there.
Oh. I guess let's go this way. Super Hotel.
Say that again.
Super Hotel. Oh, there's a capsule hotel. I still kind of want to get a night in a capsule hotel and just like see what it is.
Yeah.
What the experience is like. Possibly not even sleep the night there, but just like get a
take
night
nap.
and yeah.
I would definitely do that to take a nap. To like not leave the area.
Yeah, but at that point you just go to a manga cafe and pay for like 3 hours.
It might be cheaper for a
I don't think they're really that cheap because you were looking at them, remember? And they were maybe like, I don't know, like 50,000 yen a night.
How much is the
Hotel, a regular hotel,
the
manga cafe? Maybe like 3,500
for 3 hours?
for 24 hours.
Oh wow.
I think so.
People just
They do that. People live in them. There's like a really very, it's not like sad, but it's like melancholy video of people, about people who live in manga cafes. Oh, that's where we are. Okay. You want to go right?
whatever you want. I mean, we have like 45 minutes.
Yeah, hold on. That's a sign. Can you read what the katakana says, the red sign?
우리 엄마 아빠는 맨날
I don't know what the two sides
It says ni hao. I don't know. It's a ramen place, but what? Where? Wow. Hey, buddy. Catastrophe. Whoa, look at that pig mascot. Cup Bop. That's got to be a Korean place? No, it doesn't look like it.
How do you say
Do you see the character?
Yeah.
Buta.
Futa?
Buta.
Futa?
Buta. Like a boot.
Ooh.
Yeah.
What is
I'll see you next time. Just thanks for doing it.
Is that pork versus pig?
Well, I don't really know what that literally means, but I don't know. That's just the name of a dish. But it has butaniku in it. Like the meat of a pig.